because you don't really stop a habit, you replace a habit. And if it's habitual, a habitual way of talking or feeling or explaining, I call it the positive explanatory style versus the negative explanatory style. If you look at your body and brain as the hardware in your computer, and you look at the software as the things you put in your mind, you have a software program that drives the hardware. So the software is what you need to program with the instructions to have the computer follow directions. And so you tell the computer what you want it to do, and the software program determines the outcome of what the computer does. Most people don't know how to program their software to get the outcomes they want. Yeah, it's being programmed by the evening news, it's being programmed by sitcoms, reality TV shows, commercials. They tell us what to eat, they tell us what to buy, they tell us how to dress, they tell us what to think, they tell us who to vote for, and we just listen and we say, wait a minute, I'm too smart for that. I'm not going to pay any attention to that. Too late.
Wow.
Observation, imitation, repetition,
Right.
habit, practice, secondhand smoke, secondhand violence, secondhand, it goes in and sticks.
Secondhand
and even if we
TV.
don't want to do it, we do it anyway. That's called the perception to buy.